Hey, hey, hey. Still around Pine Street in Bloomfield. I believe Bloomfield's right over there by that house in a distance. But check this fence out. It's got these like little windows in it. Somebody made a bench. They split a log. And it's pretty cool, right? And I noticed through these little windows, you got like little bird houses out there. It's like somebody made a thing where you could sit here and observe the birds without, them getting spooked. But it doesn't look like there's any feed in the bird feeders right now. That one right there in the middle, that guy, looks like they fill it with like bacon fat mixed with all kinds of wild bird seed, and that attracts all different kinds of birds too. Looking through the window. And there's 4 of them. So you can just sit here and watch the birds without spooking them. It's a good idea. I like this. And I'm right above, or right under Pine Road, next to Bloomfield. Alright, there's a little short video. Stay stoned.